The result is a foregone conclusion now. But it's still interesting to see how the Bengal batsmen have kept the fight up. They're not throwing their wickets away. And they've been pretty impressive.
Abhiman beginning his fourth and final over, given 16 from 3, and has bowled with reasonable amount of discipline. This one too outside the off stump, good length, and Indranil, no clue, just flashed a bat at it and was beaten even by pace. Continues. Wonderful delivery this time, moving away a bit. So we are seeing some very good bowling by the Karnataka Bulldozers in the back of a fantastic batting performance. And of course, Rajiv has taken all the catches that were sent high into the long on area. So he's obviously a very good fielder as well. Batted magnificently for his 91. Everything good for the Karnataka Bulldozers.
I must say that of the 5 teams that I've seen so far in this tournament, Karnataka have looked the best as yet. Remember, they looked the best even last year, but didn't win the trophy, so anything can happen in a tournament of this sort. But between the Telugu Warriors, MumbaiHeroes, the Chennai Rhinos and Bengal Tigers, it's largely because of their batting. They've got a very powerful batting lineup and they've got a very good fielding side.
Catches that were dropped today by the Bengal Tigers hurt them very badly, and that's something they will definitely have to look at. And from the Karnataka Bulldozers' point of view, I think they've kind of stepped off the pedal a bit, because had they put in Pradeep, I think it was, who bowled fabulously, I think took 1 in his only over and gave only 1 run away, so he might have polished this team off, but they've held him back in reserve. Obviously not wanting to be ruthless in this opening encounter against the Bengal Tigers. Up in the air. I think the two at the crease now, seem not to have the strength to hit the big shots. They have no choice but to keep looking for the singles, which is obviously not going to do it.
That's quite right. I don't think they have the power or the punch. You don't necessarily need only strength, you need a sense of timing. It's 137 for 5 after 17.